In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your Cash App card look good. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you open up the latest version of the Cash App on your phone and you notice you have a Cash Card option at the home screen, you will be able to design and own a Cash App card. As you can see here, whenever you select the card, it's going to give you three main options for the color, either black, white, or you can pay $5 additional to make it glow in the dark, and afterwards you will be able to sign it, add emojis, add other designs, etc. So, if you already own a Cash App card, you can also redesign the card by going over to the Card tab and selecting Design a New Card and following the prompts on screen. Keep in mind that changing the design of the cash card you already own costs $5, but you can get a free one if it's your first time ever designing a Cash App card. I recommend doing your signature on the card, maybe drawing something you like, or adding some emojis. You can also consider doing a glow-in-the-dark version if you are willing to pay the $5 additional. I hope I was able to help you on how to make your Cash App card look good. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.